So in a breaking update, we're getting to know that the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar has dialed the TMC chief Mamata Banerjee, urging Mamata to be on the same platform over the united opposition to oppose the BJP. Now, sources revealing that Mamata is going to arrange for a huge rally in January in West Bengal, and already confirming its participation will be the Aam Aadmi Party. The DMK has also said that they will be with Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal. Going across to Anuj, because Anuj, around a few years back, we have seen a similar thing when it comes to West Bengal and a huge opposition rally that was organized, but it really didn't come through as a strong and a united opposition. When it comes to elections, and especially in poll-bound West Bengal, how convincing will it be for Mamata Banerjee to keep all the opposition parties together? And now Sharad Pawar also darling her.
Oh, exactly. You pointed it out very rightly. Earlier also, we have seen the same kind of attempt by the opposition party and Mamata Banerjee to unite the opposition. But last time also, it did not work like that as they were willing. But this point in time, what we have been told, this is going to be another attempt in the month of January next year. What we have been told, this is going to be a rally in West Bengal, and this is going to be Sharad Pawar, this is going to be Arvind Kejriwal and M.K. Stalin from DMK, who is going to be the part of this very rally, and this is again an opportunity, or rather an attempt, we should say, to show the united opposition. As let me tell you that this is Pawar and Mamata who had word on the phone call, also discussed about the strategy, what should be done. So this is a so-called rally or the meeting that is organized in the month of January next year. Just to wait and watch what exactly will be coming out. But yes, the opposition is again trying to come on one platform, and Mamata Banerjee is in the poll-bound state, that's West Bengal, and we are continuously seeing what's ups and downs going on in Trinamool Congress and in the state of West Bengal. So seeing that, now this is again an attempt from Mamata Banerjee to reunite, an attempt to reunite the opposition party. Let's see, wait and watch what exactly will be the outcome. But it was not good. Last time it was not in that much a favor of the opposition parties last time. Let's see, wait and watch what exactly will be the outcome this time. Yeah.
So what and how many opposition parties, Anuj, are really on the same page with Mamata Banerjee? Of course, there is an ongoing issue of the farmer protest that has been taking place, but also to note that Mamata Banerjee has her interest in mind when it comes to West Bengal. Because for the farmer protest, Anuj, and also reminding our viewers on the same that she had supported the cause, but she had not supported the Bandh. This will, come in the way as far as the farmer protest is also concerned, Anuj, because not a very clear stand that has been given by the TMC on this.
Well, on the yes, you are very much right in that. We have seen the opposition standing with a different line. They were not on the same page when it comes when it was about the farmer issue and when it was about the Bandh. But this time we need to understand the larger picture, and that is that this is the poll-bound state. So trying to be opportunistic this time, this is again an attempt by Mamata Banerjee to get all the leadership who is opposition on same platform. Because we have recently seen what happened in the case of the IPS officers being transferred or being called back by the center. In that case, we have seen Pawar, we have seen Stalin, Arvind Kejriwal supporting Mamata Banerjee, coming out with a series of tweets in support of Mamata Banerjee. Yesterday it was Mamata Banerjee.
Well, it remains to be seen how Mamata Banerjee would respond to the call of Sharad Pawar, asking her to be on the same page and pull off a united opposition to stand against the BJP, something that Mamata Banerjee will also have her interest, right, in the poll-bound state of West Bengal in the year 2021. Thanks very much, Anuj. We move on to more national updates.